What's going on, everybody? Jermaine Lee Monster still wanted to shoot this quick video for those of you that are wondering how to make a niche fan page. So fanpagebeast.com is the website you want to check out. I'm going to go ahead and pull that up for you guys. If you're watching this video on YouTube and you're wondering how to create and generate millions and millions of views from Facebook fan pages, I'm going to give you guys a quick example before we get into the page context, right? So I'm going to go ahead and head over to Grandkids Are Amazing, which is one of the pages that I share with everybody inside of my training, inside of my coaching group, right? And what we're going to do is show you really quickly 406,000 followers, guys. We started this page back in 2015, didn't really progress too much. And then Facebook monetization came along, right? Get paid just by posting. And so what I want to do really quickly is switch into this page, and then I'll come back and I'll show you how to make the page. But I want to show you guys like some real-time stats when it comes to views. And we're going to head over to professional dashboard. And this is just one of our niche pages, right? And you guys will be able to see that the last 28 days alone, this page has been as high as about 5,000 or 6,000 in a month. Right now we've driven 25 million views in the last 30 days, right? And then I'm gonna go over to another page that I'll share with you guys. Collectively, we've gotten these pages to around $10,000 to $12,000 a month between the Facebook payouts, right? So Facebook pays based on views, based on ads, based on the length of time that people watch your videos. And so as you guys can see, this page here has done just a little bit better than the grandma page this month. And sometimes they flip-flop, they go back and forth, but the real key is consistency. And so you can see here, this page has done 17 million views. And guys, Facebook pays, right? So we've got subscriptions going on. We've got Amazon being sold on there as an affiliate. We've got all types of different things that you can do with Facebook pages. So in reference to showing you guys how to set up the fan page, let me jump straight into that now. Without further ado, I'm going to try to keep this video under about 7 to 8, maybe 10 minutes. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your home screen. Go to your home screen here, and then you're going to click on Pages. And then you are going to create your first page. So what should you create your page about, right? You're going to click on Create a Page. You could tell ChatGPT, give me, 10 niches that will go viral for faceless Facebook fan pages, right? And here's the real, I think, gap in what people do understand and don't understand is that you don't have to think for yourself all the time nowadays, right? And it does help to be able to do that, right? So for me, I understand different niches. Oh, what do you know? Grandparents and grandkids, right? It's emotional, it's share worthy, it's relatable. So you want to kind of start to understand why these things are will go viral, right? Faith in God and short prayers, motivational quotes for women, single moms, strong moms, encouragement posts, pet loves, dogs. So basically all the stuff that I talk about without really have ever doing this research myself per se, just because I understand what people want to see, right? It's emotional context, things of that nature. So there's another one that's really going viral. And we're going to say, is autism a good niche as well? Because I can tell you it is based on the amount of growth that we've done over the course of time. And so, but I'm just going to ask ChatGPT. So it's saying that it isn't a disability, it's a different ability. So basically they're saying that based on how you put the content out there, right? So autism, moms, parent support. So we're going to do, for this specific page, we're going to do autism quotes. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to say, make me, as we do this page, somebody just commented on the autism page, make me a Facebook profile picture. So I'm kind of doing this backwards, but I'm going to need it anyways. that is called Autism Mom. Let's see, we're gonna do Autism Mom quotes. Okay, so this is gonna be all about mothers that are autism moms. So we're just gonna call this Autism Mom quotes, and we're gonna just call this, let's see, category. We're gonna do if they got like motivational. Let's see what they got. Just go through and kind of find the best, we'll just call it fan page for now. So we're going to say autism mom quotes is a page where all moms can show support and find quotes they can relate to, right? Because it's all about relatability when it comes to these pages, right? So what we're going to do now, we're just going to go ahead and create the page, right? So now we've created a fan page. And if I hadn't been talking, that'd take all but 2 minutes, right? I've been on this video for about 6 minutes now. And boom, right? So very vibrant image. We're just going to go ahead and save that to my computer and ChatGPT. So I know where to find that. I'm going to change that name to, we're going to say Autism Mom quotes. I'm just going to keep it relatable and rememberable. That's the thing too. A lot of times I think people get into this stuff. They don't really realize how simple it is. You can go as far as creating a website and a burner phone number, right? And if you want me to go into that with you in our training sessions or our group sessions, just let me know. And definitely we'll get into that as far as creating burner numbers in a website. Let me give you an example of a website that we have. It's autismawarenesscolors.com. And this is basically where we're selling bracelets, autism bracelets, right? So they're actually free. They just pay shipping. I think we sold about 12 or 14 of these yesterday. So the little things that will create that income over the course of time. So we're going to say always open. We're going to go to next. And then it's going to ask for the profile picture. So we're going to add in profile picture. And we're going to do this. I already have this saved. Oh, actually, I'm going to do that for the cover photo. So I'm going to put this one here. And then I'm going to change this one to the picture that we just created. So we're going to say Autism Mom, right? Boom. Nice, vibrant, colorful profile picture. And so Autism Mom quotes, get your autism awareness bracelets today. So that's going to kind of, get them to take action. So we're going to say, let's see, get tickets. We're going to say book now. So we're going to sign up, opens the website with the sign up form. And you can always put your website in the bio as well. autismawarenesscolors.com. Boom. We're going to save that. So this is going to just make sure that when people see the page, they click and they go straight to the website, right? And that's going to help because I don't think I showed the fanpagebeast.com. We do offer automation services. If you guys are in our inner circle group already and coaching, then you're already going to have access to some of this stuff as well. But again, very simple process, guys. We're going to go ahead and move forward to the next step. And again, I'm going to try to keep this under about 12 minutes. You don't need to add in your WhatsApp number or anything like that. You can definitely invite friends. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and invite all my friends. So a lot of times in marketing, you don't want people to see your stuff, but I've been doing this for so long that people already understand these types of things. So I'm the kind of person where if I have the formula, I'm going to give it to everybody. And so what I'm saying is I don't mind if you copy me, right? This is actually going to be a page, and I'm glad I'm doing this video now because this is going to be a page that I'm actually going to promote and get results from. So that's pretty much the gist of creating a page, guys. So again, kept this video under 10 minutes. move on to the next module, which will be module number 1. This will be like your getting started video for fanpagebeast.com. And much love, everybody. Shout out to Sherman, who requested that I do a initial page video, which I didn't realize I missed. And again, event coming up in Las Vegas. I hope to see everybody there. If you want more information about our next event, head over to jermainesteele.com and check out the event section, and or ask me for the link, and I will give you guys the link that I have for you guys, which is up here on the events. The event for Vegas is not up yet as of January 14th. This is the old event, but the new event page is up and coming, guys, so I will definitely reach out to anybody who wants more information. Peace. Let me know what you guys need help with your fan pages. Much love. Signing out. Jermaine Lee Monster Still. Peace.